think, especially at work. Many learners translate directly from their own language, and while people may understand you, it can sound unnatural or even slightly frustrating. A very common mistake is saying, "Open the light." This is not correct in English, and it immediately sounds wrong to native speakers. In English, we don't use open for lights. The correct way to say it is, turn on the light. This is the natural and correct expression used in everyday communication. Let's look at another example. Instead of saying, close the TV. This sounds strange and incorrect because in English we don't close electronic devices like this. A better and more natural option is, turn off the TV. Now you sound clear, natural, and more fluent. These small mistakes can make your English sound unnatural, even if people understand what you mean. Fixing them will instantly improve how you sound. Now let's practice together. Repeat. Turn on the light. Good. Now repeat. Turn off the TV. Excellent. The more natural expressions you use, the more confident and professional you will sound when speaking English. If you want to speak English naturally and confidently, subscribe to this channel today.